welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I've created this nail art look using the water transfer stickers. So if you want to create, then keep on watching. You'll need your favorite water transfer sticker, scissors, a clean flat brush, tweezers, and a container having water. Now cut the stickers into 5 parts for each finger. Now dip the sticker into water using the tweezer and leave it for 30 seconds. Now take it out and remove the sticker very gently. First apply the base color which matches with the stickers on the nail and then apply the sticker. Now pat gently with the brush to fix the sticker and to remove any wrinkles. Apply the top coat to seal the sticker. This is the final look. Now repeat the same steps on the other fingers. You can clean the edges by dipping the flat brush into the nail paint remover. This is the final look after trimming the extra length. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.